Hey gang, just a quick video on a French tip, white French smile line with gel polish. I'm using Sheer Pink by Gel Perfection. It's a fab French pink. I'm going to do a couple of coats of that just to try and mimic nail bed colour, although this pop is obviously white with a big blob of blue tack behind it. And I would do this on a client as well anyway, so it would just be more natural looking. So they've been cured. I'm taking Alaska and doing a horizontal line, the depth that I want the tip to be, the smile line to be, and I've done a little line down the center of that. I was actually planning on doing these lines here straight to the center line that I did at the bottom, and then just curving out where they join, but I ended up coming in curved. So I've done an imaginary horizontal line from the top, where how deep you want the smile line, from the top across, so I started at the same height on the other side. Am I making sense? Who knows? And then just smoothing out where the lines join. So you sort of done an upside down A, starting with the cross at the middle, and then done the legs either side, and just smoothed out where they join. And now I'm just filling in the tip. It's good to have a good opaque white like this, because you can do it with one coat, so you don't have like a thicker tip than everywhere else. Just messed up a bit there, so I'm going to finish what I'm doing and take a cuticle stick and just wipe it into the white as opposed to onto the pink, and now that can be rectified without faffing about too much. Just making sure that your curves are as symmetrical as possible, but definitely mapping out first the line across the middle, making the center of that, and then one side and the other side. Excuse me, I'm just eating chocolate biscuits. It just helps massively with French, because French is sometimes a bit of a pain in the ass to do, so just make sure you get them all symmetrical and even. And I've cured that, and I'm going in with Diamond Gloss, just the Gel Perfection super shiny top coat. Seal the free edge, and you're good to go. I hope that makes sense. It's just kind of a rough guide to mapping out, a deep smile line with gel polish. Any questions, pop them in the comments. Oh yes. I messed up here and then just got annoyed. Yeah, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.